newer GoPro camera. We haven't had it a year, and the touchscreen has gone out on the back, so that's one of the issues with it. When the touchscreen went out, you can't use any of the functions on it. And one of the things I found is if you're recording with it, with the mount it comes with, if you touch the touchscreen as you're moving the camera around, you'll actually turn it off or change the settings on it. So that's a real pain in the butt. And this is another item, really infinite wisdom on their part. You go to put the SIM card in. I don't know if you can see this down in there, but the SIM card can be put in wrong. Let's see if we can get it out of there for you. The SIM card has a slot right here. I don't know if you can see this, but it's got a little slot there. And you can actually put the SIM card in wrong. It actually has a, let's see if I can't get it out of here. You can see that it's got the SIM card can be put in the wrong spot, and it jams up, and then you got to have a tool to get it out. If you look down inside there, if you're not real careful, the SIM card will go between the SIM card plate and the steel plate that the battery slides against. That's the first time this happened to me. I couldn't find my SIM card. The camera wouldn't work, couldn't find the SIM card. I got my glasses on, looked down in there, and there it was, buried between the battery plate and the SIM card holder. So that was a real genius maneuver on their part. Anyway, the camera itself, this is the, I think they call it the GoPro 5. The whole back touchscreen went dark. I can't get it to work, so I can't use any of the functions on the camera other than record. And of course, I don't know what I'm recording unless I turn around and look in the front. But if you're not careful, as you look at the front and you're recording, if you're not careful and you move the camera around, if you touch anywhere back here in the back, you can't see what's going on, but it'll go to flash mode or it'll just turn the camera off. So not real happy with it. I've got my old Hero Black. I don't know what they call it, Hero 3, I think, and I've had no problems with it. But this thing, I'm not real impressed with it. Maybe GoPro should go back to the drawing board and figure out what they did wrong. They tried to put too many features in something. They tried to improve something and made it so complex and so many issues with it as far as having abilities that it got that much more stuff to go wrong. Too bad for them. The original system worked pretty good. I wish I could find some more of these old cameras. I'd buy them in a heartbeat.